You that is looking at me, you need to find X. You are saying, you are who? You. You, not me or you. You need to find X. This kind of question can cause some students to say, hey, I want to drop out of school. They start looking for people to encourage their decision. You see, Bill Gates did not go to school. Who said? The owner of Facebook did not go to school. Who said? They will never measure the owner of Tesla, Elon Musk. They will never measure his name. Calm down. Let me show you. This is no problem as long as you apply the rules. Remember, it still remains. This guy is being carried by this guy. To stop causing problem for this guy, because he's complaining now, my neck. I'll be carrying this guy. Since they wrote me on that textbook, I'll be carrying these people. Please assist me. Oh. They want to kill me. Oh. If you are the one, will you not have mercy? It's okay. You know what you need to do? You need to live here. These people will choke you. Remember, let the poor breathe. You have that responsibility. Okay? So this guy will go to the other side to carry this group. You are asking me, why is he going to carry again? Because he's born to carry. You know, there are some people that are born to carry. They are born to carry. If you go to the marketplaces, you see that they are carrying loads. That is their destiny. I'm sorry. So this guy is born to carry. But what we are trying to do here is that this logarithm that is choking it, that's what we are trying to assist as a doctor, to assist him to what? Escape. We call this converting from logarithm format or form to indices form. Now, no more logarithm. What is the meaning of this now? This is 2, this, and this. What is the meaning of this? This simply means in indices. Go back. Raised to power 1. Okay? What we need to do here, say let this be equals to P. Why am I doing this now? Why am I doing this? It's not that I cannot go straight, but if I go straight, some people might be confused. So when you see something like this that is complex, because there's similarity, just simply use this one to simplify it. We are coming back to P. P is assisting us to see clearly, okay? Then we go back here and I say P, which is this. Sorry, this is not raised to power. This is 4. 4 is down. 4 is not up. As you can see in this place, don't say, this teacher is deceiving us. No, 4. 4 is not up. 4 is the same. These are important things. These are important things. 4 is the same level, the same level. If 4 was somewhere here now, say 4 here, it's another thing, okay? It's another thing. Same level. Is the location, the position of the number or the alphabet, which is the variable that determines how we move, okay? So, we continue. So now it's P, which is this guy, P minus 4 equals to P over 2. Remember, 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Okay, now we say over 1, we cross multiply. P, 4, we put 2 here equals to P. If you open this up now, you have 2P minus 8 equals to P. Then we move P to this side. Why are you moving P to this side? Because I saw P here, I saw P here. Why did you move this 2P to this side? I can't move the one with bigger number to the other side. Before you can become a king, they will check your account number. Check your account number. How much do you have? You can become a king today. Go and hustle. Bring the money. Build the house. Show evidence. This guy has evidence of 2. This one has no evidence. So therefore, you need to come to this side to pay homage. But you agree with me, because there is no sign here, there is plus there. Behind the scene, there is plus. So when plus is crossing this bridge, this is a bridge to the other side, it will change to minus. You say, why? Because even you travel outside the country or you travel to other nations of the world, they will stamp you in. So the passport you brought, if they open it, they will see what there's a change, there's a stamp on it. So this guy cannot come to this side and maintain the plus. No, you can't just maintain the plus. While you are coming to this side to join the bus, you will become minus P. This guy is telling me now, but me, I don't have P. I say you go to the other side. You are out there. I don't want you here. So why is crossing? It becomes what? Plus 8. Plus 8. You say, why is it plus 8? Because now minus was here as it's crossing to the other side. Boom. Change to the other side because it's the opposite of. Divide is opposite of. So it depends on where you are crossing to. So the crossing is, this is the bridge. Where you are plus, you go to this side, become minus. Where you are minus, you come to this side, become plus. Plus, minus, minus, plus, just like that, okay? So therefore, we are good to go. But what you should know is that when it is plus and the number is the first number, we don't include it. We just leave it like that because you know what? There is plus that is in this place. Do you see plus around me? There's plus. I'm a plus. I'm a plus. You are plus? Okay, you need to prove it too. Good. Therefore, this minus this is P equals to 8. Now we have P as 8. Now let's go back because P was only assisting us. We need to go back and see, P, thank you so much. So we need who you are representing. That is what? 2 raised to power x equals to 8. So therefore now, what is 8? 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3. As you can see, let me rewrite it. 2 raised to power 3. As you can see, this guy that is carrying S and this guy that is carrying 3, they are the same. That means the base are the same. The father, the parents are the same. Therefore, the children are equal. So S is equals to 3. So 3 is X, which they asked us to find. Okay? All this is understood. Thank you for viewing.